If you can't find what you're looking for through the library's search system, you can still request items through the Interlibrary Loan Form. After you search in the search system, click Still Didn't Find What You Need, click here to send a request. Fill out the form with information about the item you're requesting. Click Send Request. Now your request has been successfully placed. To track your requests, click your name in the upper right-hand corner and select My Requests from the drop-down menu. If you requested a physical book, you'll receive an email when it arrives to the library and is ready for pickup. If you requested a digital copy of a book chapter or an article, you'll receive an email with a link to the PDF. The link will work for 30 days, so be sure you download your request to your computer for later use. You're also able to download the article or book chapter through the My Requests page. For more help using Interlibrary Loan, please contact interlibraryloan@charlotte.edu.